Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the dance Down to One. This was choreographed by Formosa, and the song is Down to One by Luke Bryan. Let's get into the tutorial. This is an odd count dance. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. Basically, at the end of it, you end up with an 8 and 1. So in order to get this dance, you need to be able to flow right through. So we'll be going through the steps and then the counts with each section. So let's turn around, face the front. Don't forget, you can rewind any section that you need to go over as many times as you like, as it is YouTube. So starting with your weight on your right for this dance, you're going to take a walk forward, left, right, left, complete a samba step, cross quarter, and a quarter side shuffle is your first section of 8. So moving forward with that left, you're going to go left, right, left. You're going to complete a samba step. You're going to go cross side replace. You're then going to step that left across. You're going to step back with that right, turning a quarter turn to face your left shoulder, so your 9 o'clock wall. And then you're going to quarter turn side shuffle with your left to your left side, left, right, left. Let's repeat that section again, this time with a count. So moving forward with your left, weight is on your right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's add on the next 8 counts for you. From here, you're going to be doing a cross rock, a quarter shuffle, half pivot into another quarter shuffle. Basically, you end up completing a full turn. So you're going to end up coming back to your rear wall. So from here, you will go across with the right, rock back onto the left. As you shuffle to your right, you're going to turn a quarter turn to your right side. So you're now facing your 9 o'clock wall. Step forward on that left and take a half pivot. Weight will transfer back onto your right leg. You're then going to quarter turn shuffle to your right shoulder. So you end up facing your rear wall with your left to the left side. Left, right, left. Let's go over the counts just for that 8 counts there. So your weight is on your left. You're moving into that cross rock and quarter shuffle. The counts will end up going 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's go back through those 2 sections put together, and we'll go from the beginning. We'll walk through with a call, and then we'll repeat that again with a count. Facing your front wall, weight is on your right. Moving forward with that left, 7, and we walk left, right, left, samba step, cross, quarter, quarter side shuffle, cross, rock, quarter side shuffle, half, pivot, quarter side shuffle. Let's repeat that again, this time with a count from the beginning. So facing your front wall, weight again on your right, moving forward with a count, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's add on your next section of 8. From here, you're going to be doing 2 hip sways, right, left. You're going to rock back on the right, replace and step the right to the side, cross side and samba step. So what that's going to look like is you're going to sway hips right, left. You're going to rock back on that right. You're going to go rock back, forward step, side. Then you're going to go behind, side, and then samba step. So you go behind, side, and then you're going to do a samba step with the left, go cross, side, replace. Let's just repeat that last section again, this time with a count for you. You've come out of that side shuffle, your weight will be on your left. We're going to go into those 2 hips. We go 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's go back to the beginning of the dance now and add on that third section of 8. We'll go through again with a call and then with a count. Facing the front, let's go from the beginning. Weight is on our right. 7, and we walk left, right, left, samba step, cross, quarter, quarter side shuffle, cross, rock, quarter side shuffle, half, pivot, quarter side shuffle, hip sway, right, left, rock, replace step, behind, side, samba step. Excellent. Let's do that again, this time with a count moving through that. So facing the front, weight is on right, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Excellent. Let's add on our last section of 8. In this section of 8, you're going to be doing a modified figure 8 vine. Where you're ending up at the direction, you will end up facing your 9 o'clock wall, or from where you are right now in the dance, you'll be facing where your right shoulder is at the moment. So you'll be facing to that right side. So the first part of this figure 8 is you're going to start with a weave moving across. So you're going to go across to the right, the left to the side. You're going to bring that left behind, step into a quarter turn with that left facing your left wall. Step forward on the right, take a half pivot. You're then going to step the right to the side, but as you do, you're going to be turning that quarter turn to your left again. So you're going to step to the side. You're going to step that right behind, left behind. Then you're going to be stepping the right a quarter turn to end up facing your new wall. And you're ready to start the dance again with that walk 2, 3. So we're walking left, right, left. So let's do that part again, this time with a count, because again, the count is important for this. We just come out of that samba step 8 and 1. So our first count will be 2. Moving across with that right, we go 7 and we go 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and walk. Okay, so you end up with that last section merging into that first section of the dance. Let's go right through the dance right now, all 4 sections put together with a call and then with a count. Facing the front wall for me, your weight is on your right, moving forward with a call first, 7, and we go left, right, left, samba step, cross, quarter, quarter side shuffle, rock, replace, quarter side shuffle, half pivot, quarter side shuffle, hips right, left, rock, replace step, behind, side, samba step. We go cross, side, behind, quarter, half, pivot, quarter, behind, quarter, walk, 2. You're now back at the beginning again. Let's face the front wall. Let's go through this again with a count. Weight is on the right, moving forward with that left, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2. You're now back at the beginning of the dance again. That takes care of completing the dance. There is no restarts or tags. So I'm going to walk through it once more, but this time we're not going to stop. We're going to go through all 4 walls and I'll alternate between a call and a count for you. Let's go all through all 4 walls. Facing your front, weight is on your right, moving forward with that left, 7, and we go left, right, left, samba step, cross, quarter, quarter side shuffle, rock, replace, quarter side shuffle, half, pivot, quarter shuffle, hips right, left, rock, replace step, behind, side, samba step, cross, side, behind, quarter, half, pivot, quarter, behind, quarter, left, right, left, samba step, cross, quarter, side shuffle, and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Go across, cross, side, behind, quarter, half, pivot, quarter, behind, rear wall, walk, 2, 3, samba step, cross, quarter, quarter side shuffle, rock, replace, quarter shuffle, half, pivot, quarter side shuffle, hips right, left, rock, replace step, behind, side, samba step, cross, side, behind, quarter, half, pivot, quarter, behind, and a walk, 2, 3, samba step, cross, quarter, quarter side shuffle, rock, replace, quarter shuffle, half, pivot, quarter side shuffle, hips, right, left, rock, replace, step, behind, side, samba, step, cross, side, behind, quarter, half, pivot, quarter, behind, walk, left, right, left. Excellent. That concludes the tutorial for the full dance down to one, choreographed by Kevin Formosa. You can now travel across to our demo video or the demo with call video, whichever you prefer. And as always, I will see you in the next video.